In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. If messages aren't showing up when you expect them, don't worry. Walk through these quick checks with me, and we'll get your inbox back on track. First, open Yahoo Mail and head straight to the spam folder on the left. Messages can land there by mistake due to automated filters, similar subjects, or unknown senders. Scroll through and look for the missing email. When you find something that shouldn't be there, select it and click Not Spam. That instantly moves it back to your inbox and also helps train Yahoo Mail so similar emails are less likely to be misclassified in the future. Next, make sure you have enough storage space. In your inbox, delete old or unneeded emails, especially those with large attachments or newsletters you no longer need. Then, and this part is important, open the trash and empty it. Deleted emails still count toward your limit until the trash is cleared, so emptying it actually frees space. After you've done that, try receiving email again. Give it a moment and keep an eye on your inbox to see if new messages start arriving normally. Now, perform a full search across all folders. Use the search bar at the top of Yahoo Mail and type the sender's name, email address, or a unique keyword from the subject. Results can appear from any folder, so also check Archive, Trash, and Spam. It's easy to swipe or file an email by accident, and some emails are auto-archived or filtered, so a broad search often finds what's missing. Finally, send a quick test email to your own Yahoo address. Compose a new message, address it to yourself, add a simple subject like test, and hit send. Wait a minute, refresh your mailbox and see if it appears in your inbox. If you receive it, that's a good sign your account is working, and the issue may be specific to one sender or message. If the test email doesn't arrive, that points to a possible settings or connection issue. Make sure your internet connection is stable, reload the page or app, and review your mail settings later for anything that might be redirecting mail. That's it. You checked the spam folder, cleared space and emptied trash, searched all folders, and verified delivery with a test email. Follow these steps patiently, and most delivery issues resolve quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Yahoo Mail is receiving messages smoothly again.